guys, so let's get started with this hair tutorial. The first thing that you want to do is separate the bottom from the top part of your hair. So I'm going to start with the bottom and then work my way all the way to the top. And the tool that I'm using is Head Candy's Party Animal and Mint. This is their Beach Wave Crimper. I'm going to start all the way towards the top of my hair of that part and slowly work my way down and taking piece by piece and just kind of aligning it with the shape of the crimper that it crimps my hair. And I'm just going to continue to take little pieces and little by little just keep crimping all the way down. And I'm going to do this on both sides of the parted. So this tool heats up to 450. I try to keep it as close as I can to the highest temp. Not exactly at 450, but close to it, just because it holds my hair the best. Okay, so now that we have the bottom finished, I'm going to take that top bun out and I'm going to separate that part in half. With the rest of it, I'm going to split that into two parts as well, and I'm going to do the same thing to the both right and left side. Alright, so we got the bottom half done. Now we just have to do the top. I'm going to separate that into two parts as well, and again do the same thing to both sides. Okay, so now we have finished the crimping. As you can see, you can wear it down like this if you want. You can run your fingers through it to make it a little more softer. I'm just going to put up the top half because I like to wear it that way. So I'm going to separate the top half and use a brush and kind of comb that up. Now what I've learned about ponies is I'll pull from underneath and kind of tighten it that way instead of pulling it from top. That way it doesn't mess up the very top part of the hair that you brush down. Next thing, I'm going to take my Argan Magic Intense Hair Oil. You can get this at any of your local stores. I'll link it below. Argan oil is really good and healthy for your hair. It gives you a nice pretty shine, and it also makes it really soft, and it smells amazing. So I do recommend getting some kind of hair serum to put before and after you do your hair. And this is the final look. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys later.